Hey! Welcome to Howza channel. In today's tutorial, we will teach you how to convert PowerPoint to JPG. The first way is the easiest. Open your PowerPoint presentation. Click on File at the top left corner of your screen. Select Save As. Set the path to save the file. Set the Save As type to JPEG. Click Save. Select if you want to save all slides or just the one. Open and enjoy. If for some reason this doesn't work for you, open your web browser and paste a link you can find in the description box down below. Open the web page. Click on Choose File. Select the file you need and click on Convert. Wait until it is done. Click on Download. Set the path and save the file. Enjoy! Thanks for watching the video. Please like it and let us know if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day. See ya!